Experiencing sound problems with your Spectrum cable box? You're not alone. Common issues include no audio, PCM format errors, mutes, and TV setting conflicts. The good news is most of these are easily fixed. First, power cycle your box. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. While it reboots, check your HDMI cable connection to ensure it's secure. Next, use the Spectrum app to run a self-diagnostic. It can often identify and resolve the problem automatically. If those quick fixes don't work, let's dive into some more specific solutions. PCM, or pulse code modulation, is the standard uncompressed audio format. Errors occur when your TV expects PCM, but the cable box sends a compressed format like Dolby Digital, causing no sound or distortion. To fix PCM errors on your Spectrum cable box, navigate to the Audio Settings menu. Set the output to PCM to match your TV's expected format. Next, check your TV's audio settings to ensure they match the box's PCM output. Look for audio coding format and set it appropriately. For LG TVs, access the sound settings and ensure digital sound out is configured correctly. Mute glitches often stem from conflicting controls with voice assistants like Alexa. Disable voice assistant integrations temporarily to resolve the issue. Finally, verify that your TV's volume is not muted or set too low, as this can override the cable box's audio settings.